Hello friends, welcome to Kiddie Bank.
Hello children, today we are going to see the story The Hare and the Tortoise. Hi friends, here I am, Bunny the Great. You know, my name is Bunny and I can run very fast. Children, Bunny is a hare who runs, hops and enjoy his life happily in this jungle. He's having so many friends, but he's very proud of his speed. Ha ha ha! Nobody can run like me. I am the fastest animal.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Kiddie Bank.
I can run very fast and nobody can beat my speed. Ha ha ha.
Hi, I'm Tutu. Anybody here? I'm Tutu. Oh my God, where are my friends? This is the tortoise. This tortoise also live in the same jungle where Bunny lives. Next morning, Bunny was running in the jungle. Yay! Hi! I'm so happy! Suddenly, he met a tortoise.
Ha ha ha.
How slowly you walk.
You know,
I can run very fast and nobody can beat my speed. You silly bunny. Don't be proud of yourself. Ooh. What? What do you mean? Have a race? Have a race with me. Then you tell. Then you prove yourself. You silly tortoise. Challenge me that you will have a race with me. Okay, Bunny. Let's have a race tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow morning we will be having the race. Stay. Titu and Bunny were ready for the race. Let me wave my hand. Ready, steady, go! The race began. Bunny started to run fast, but Titu was walking slowly. Hey, Titu! Bye-bye! I will win the race. Bye! Bunny ran fast. Titu was left behind, walking slowly. Titu is somewhere in the starting point. Let me take a nap. Oh, I'm so tired. Let me take a nap. Shh. Titu walks slowly and crosses Bunny. At last, Titu reaches the winning point. I am the winner! I am the winner! Bunny wakes up. Oh my God! It is too late! Let me run fast! Shh! When he reaches the winning point, he sees already Titu is there. And he started crying loudly. Oh my God, I am the loser. Bunny, don't cry. Never be proud of yourself. See, I did not wait or sleep. I kept on moving. So today, I am the winner. Slow and steady wins the race. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys had fun. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Kiddie Bank.